Good morning, dear students, and welcome back to our English grammar class. Children, in our previous video, we have seen what are nouns, kinds of nouns, countable nouns, and the rules to make plural forms. In this video, we'll continue the lesson. Now, children, let us see some other rules. The next rule is some nouns remain the same in its singular and plural forms. For example, sheep, deer. Children, they will not change their form in the plural forms. Some nouns exist only in the plural form. For example, scissors, oats, etc. In compound nouns, the plural ending is added to the main noun. For example, children, see daughter-in-law. The main noun in this word daughter-in-law is daughter. Okay, so to make it plural, we'll add the plural form in the main noun, that is s. Okay, so the plural form of daughter-in-law will be daughters-in-law. Clear? So the s will be added to the main noun. Next is words borrowed from Latin that end in us form their plural by changing us to I. For example, aluminous, alumini. So alumini is a plural form. As we have removed, this is a Latin word aluminous, and we have removed us and we have added I. Okay, same way fungus, fungi. We have removed us from it and we have added I to make it plural. Now children, let us come on to the next rule, that is words borrowed from Latin that end in form their plural by changing to a. For example, curriculum. If we remove m, to make it plural, we have to add remove and add a. So it will become curricula. Next, words borrowed from Latin that end in a form their plural by adding e. For example, antenna. In this word, we will add e just after a to make the plural form. Next, words borrowed from Latin that end in on form their plural by adding a. For example, phenomenon. In this word, if we'll remove on, we'll add a to make plural form, that is phenomena. Next, words borrowed from Latin that end in ex form their plural by changing ex to ic and by adding es. For example, vertex. Here we will remove ex and we will add ic and es to make the plural form, so it will become vertices. Next, words borrowed from French that end in eau form their plural by adding x. For example, tableau. Now if we will add x, it will become tableaus. Now children, nouns ending in is become plural by changing is to es. For example, verses will be changed to plural form by adding es and it will become overseas. Now children, let us move on to uncountable nouns. There are some nouns which are uncountable. For example, water, milk, butter, iron, etc. We cannot count them. That's why they are known as uncountable nouns. Hope children you have understood the lesson till here. We'll continue our lesson in our next video. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.